Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Coder Anshu. Today I am going to tell few of the extensions which is helpful for you code faster and code better whenever do coding. So there are top 5 extensions in VS Code. So let's start. The first extension is called Auto Rename extension. You can go here and just search Auto Rename extension. You can see there is a auto rename extension. Just click and you just installed it. Click here and install it. I have already installed, so I'm not going to install. I just go to the index.html file and show you how it will work. So in the body tag, I just write some paragraph. P tag I'm writing inside this paragraph. This is channel. If you want to change this p tag into the h tag, you just write here h1 tag. You can see opening tag and closing tag both are changed automatically. If you want to write h1 tag into the h5 tag, you can see it will change both for starting point and end point automatically. If you want to write some div and you just suddenly think no, I'm writing inside the p tag, so you just write p. Now div tag change into the p tag. So this is the first extension. Now I'm going to tell the second extension, which is called abbreviation. Abbreviation is also a very useful tag. If you want to write various div, if you want to write suppose 10 times div, so you have to write div and you just type control plus div and just create one by one divs. But there is a one shortcut. If you want to create a multiple div, just write div multiply with and then write. If you want to create 5, then write 5 and just click enter. You can see there are 5 div is created. If you want to create 5 times 6 time paragraphs, you just click here 6 and you can see there are 6 time paragraph is created. If you want to create a child div inside the div, just write div and you just write p tag and just click enter. You can see there is a child div is created inside the parent div. So this will work. This is the second extension. Now the third extension is css grid snippets. If you want to search here css grid snippet, you can see here there is a css snippet. I have already installed, so I am directly show you how it will work. Inside the style file, I want to write inside the style file. I just want to write some display grid. So I have a shortcut to write display grid. I just write DG. You can see display grid is visible. Now I want to write a grid template column. So just write GTC. You can see grid template columns are created. If you want to write a display grid column, just write GTR. You can see display grid row also created. Now this is the third extension, which is called CSS Grid Snippets. Now the fourth extension is Rainbow Brackets. Rainbow Brackets is also very useful, guys. I will show you. Just a wait. You can see there is a rainbow bracket. So I have already installed. This is also very useful whenever you create a multiple bracket. Will get confused. So that time it will help you very much. So I'm going to the index.js file. I just create a array.map function. Inside I write a function. You can see there is a bracket which are different color. If there are multiple of braces inside the function, you will confuse which is the closing or opening braces. So this will very helpful to find out which braces is opening or closing braces. So you can see here. Now this is the fourth extension of VS Code, which is called rainbow bracket. Now the fifth and last extension is material icons. If you want to search material icons, just write material icons. You can see there is a material icons. Material icons is just show the icons. Whatever you create a file or folder, you can see once you create index.html file, there is a icon which is created here, and index.js file also the js icon is created. So this is the use of the material icons you can see here. So this is all about the top 5 extension of VS Code. Now I am going to tell more extension in the next video. So thank you very much for watching this video, guys.